Welcome to Erin Lee and Friends. Hi, I'm Erin Lee, and I'm here today with my neighbor Nat Horne, who is in the original 1970 cast of the Broadway musical Applause.
No matter how much time passes, once you hear it, you never get enough of applause.
Check it out.
5, 6, 7, 8. What is it that we're living for? Applause, applause.
Nothing I know brings on the glow like sweet applause.
You're thinking you're through, that nobody cares.
Nobody. Then suddenly you hear it starting.
And somehow you're in charge again, and it's a ball.
Trumpets all sing, life seems to swing, and you're the king of it all, 'cause you've had a taste of the sound that says love.
Applause,
Applause.
applause. Let's dance. You're catching the flu, your bank account's bare.
Zero. You're lonely and blue, and then you hear it.
And all at once you know again what life is for.
Cares disappear soon as you hear that happy audience roar, 'cause you've had a taste of the sound that says love.
Applause,
Applause.
applause,
Applause. 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 93-year-old Nat Horne has heard his share of applause from his performances on Broadway and as an original dancer in the creation and premiere of Alvin Ailey's Revelations. He also heard his share of applause dancing for soldiers overseas while in the Army's Special Service Division. For more of his incredible story, check out this short documentary here.
I never get tired of hearing the sound of applause.
We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you've performed one of our songs, email us. We'd love to hear about it. Our concerts are posted on our webpage and all our social media pages. The links are in the description box right below. See you next time.